In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up select roles in Discord. We're going to go through the full process of creating a role in your server, adding Carlbot, and then using its dashboard to make a reaction role message that lets people choose their roles easily. This is a really useful setup if you want members to assign themselves roles without needing an admin to do it manually every time. To get started, open the Discord app and go to the server where you want to add your reaction role system. Once you're inside that server, click on the server name at the top. This opens the main server menu where you'll find the settings you need. From there, click on Server Settings and then go to Roles. This is where you manage all the roles for your server. Click on Create Role, then type in the name of the role you want members to be able to select. After entering the role name, click Save Changes. If you plan to let people choose multiple roles later, you can repeat this process for each one, but for now, just follow the same setup flow. Next, you'll need to add Carlbot to your server, because that's what will handle the select role menu. Still in Discord, click on App Directory. In the search bar, type Carl and press Enter. Look for Carlbot, the one with the turtle profile picture, and click on it. Now click Add App. Discord will ask which server you want to add Carlbot to, so choose the correct server. Then click Continue. After that, click Authorize to finish adding the bot. This step gives the bot permission to work inside your server, which it needs in order to post the role selection message and assign roles correctly. Once that's done, go back to your server settings, then return to roles. Make sure Carlbot is placed near the top of the role list, above the roles you want it to assign. This part is very important. In Discord, bots can only assign roles that are below their own highest role. So if Carlbot is underneath the roles you want people to receive, the setup may look correct, but it won't work properly. After confirming that, open a browser and search for Carlbot. Go to the Carlbot dashboard. When the dashboard opens, make sure Carlbot is authorized and connected to your Discord account. Then choose your server, continue, and authorize if prompted. This simply links the dashboard to your Discord server so you can manage role features more easily from the web interface. Inside the dashboard, click on Roles and then choose Reaction Roles. From there, click Create New Reaction Role. You'll see a few options, but for this setup, leave the mode on its default setting. That default mode is usually the right choice for a standard self-assign role menu, especially if you're setting this up for the first time. Next, select the channel you created earlier or the channel where you want the role menu to appear. This should be a channel your members can access, since they'll need to see the message in order to choose a role. Then type your message text. A simple example would be something like, select your roles below. Keep the message clear so members immediately understand what they're supposed to do. Now click Add Emoji, choose an icon, and connect that emoji to a specific role. This is the part that tells Carlbot which role should be given when someone interacts with that option. Make sure each emoji matches the correct role before moving on. If you're adding more than one role, take an extra second to double check everything so your selections stay organized. When everything looks right, click Create. Carlbot will then post the role selection message into your chosen channel. At that point, your members will be able to use the posted menu to assign themselves the roles you connected during setup. And that's it. You've now created select roles in Discord using Carlbot. If something doesn't work right away, the first things to check are Carlbot's role position, whether it was properly authorized, and whether the correct channel and roles were selected in the dashboard. Once those are correct, the system usually works smoothly.